Finding reliable garage door opener companies shouldn't feel complicated. A smooth, quiet opener makes daily life easier and safer for your family. At Adams Garage Doors LLC, skilled technicians handle repairs, upgrades, and new installations. From smart openers to heavy-duty systems, every option is explained clearly. No confusing jargon. Just honest advice and dependable service. Your garage should open with one touch and zero stress. Choose performance that lasts and support you can count on. Visit https://adamsgaragedoors.llc.com/service openers to get started today.